I got a question the other day about who made the plow that I use, the Gator blade. Well, it's the independent manufacturing company, Kenosha, Kansas. Neodesha, Kansas. And mine happens to be a model number 458268. It's called an BBU-6. Rather heavy duty, but it has a hard life. It's been used and abused quite a bit. Frame's bent, the blade's twisted. Somebody snapped the blade off completely. It snapped off the mount. And they welded a wraparound steel plate around the end of it to hold it back onto the main frame. But it's held up well. I had to weld it up once. That's the subject of another video. But it's a good little plow. Well, Gator blade. It's not really a plow. I use it as a snow plow, so I guess it could be called a plow. But very heavy. About all I want to do to drag it around, get it hooked up onto the tractor. But for the guy who asked, that's who made it, and that's where it came from. That's what the model number is. Other than that, I can't tell you anything. I've never had the blade off. It's always pivoted. I don't think there's any bearings in it. I think it's just a tube that has the blade sliding around in it. You know, the mounting shaft sliding around it. I think that steel tube back there is just a hollow tube. It has a steel plate on top, and there's no bearings that I can see. Hope that helps.